Welcome to the next lesson plan by the Ceredigion Active AYP team. Our aim with these short videos is to create a 4-part lesson. These 4 parts will be a warm-up, skill development, the main activity, and how we can differentiate. The aim of this lesson is to learn and develop the skill of the underarm throw. To warm up, ask the children to run with high knees from cone to cone in a zigzag motion. As they arrive each cone, the children perform a burpee before moving on to the next cone. An underarm throw is an important skill in many sports. It is an important technique in cricket, rounders, and baseball. The movement is also similar to that of a bowler. Teach the children to throw in small steps. To start, the children need to be standing forwards, not to the side. Remember that the children also step forward as they throw, and that the arm follows through after releasing the ball. Use the skill card and video as examples to help you. Ask the children to think of their own challenges. This card is in the multi-skills resource box, which is in every school, or you can see the cards on our Ceredigion Active Teams channel. You can also scan the QR code on the card to go straight to the skill video on YouTube. Take a look at this activity. It's the flower shot game. Place hoops or similar targets on the floor in the shape of a flower. It's a fun way of developing the underarm throw. Taking turns, the children aim at the target to score points. Ensure the children aren't too far back to keep the throw underarm. An underarm throw is for accuracy over power. You can change a few things with this game. You could remove some of the targets to make it harder. Younger children could throw beanbags instead of balls. With the older or more confident children, how about replacing the flat target with a cricket stumps to aim at? Remember to assess the children throughout the lesson to inform your planning for the next lesson. Thanks for listening to this lesson.